Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 49 algorithm video. In this task we are given x and a list of elements, and we need to find the first and last index of an element x in the given list. So I make a blank list of list index for I in range 0 to len of list elements. If list elements I is equal to x, I append I to index. Print list index. So the element x, which in this case is 3, is present at first, second and fourth index, but we need the first and last index. If len of list index is equal to 0, print x element is not found in list elements, else first index of x is at last index of x is at so the first index of x is at first index and the last index of x is at 4. Now if I change the question to say 1 2 3 4 and we need to find 5, so x element is not found in the list elements. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.